everyone, welcome back to another video from Gamers Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to fix Candy Crush Saga not connecting. If your Candy Crush Saga is not connecting, you can then try the following troubleshooting steps. First of all, make sure that the device that you are using is connected to a stable internet, which can be a Wi-Fi or mobile data. Once you've connected to a stable internet, go ahead and make sure that you are using the latest version of Candy Crush. Go ahead and open up your App Store or your Google Play Store on your device, and then in the search box type in Candy Crush Saga. Within the search result, look if there is an update button available instead of open. If there is one, tap on the update button and then you should be able to download to the latest version of Candy Crush Saga, which will be able to help fix most of the problems out there regarding the app. After updating the game to the latest version, if the problem still continues, then try deleting the app cache on your device, depending on what platform you are using, and close off the application completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your smartphone and then close off the app card by pushing it upwards or tapping on the close all button. Once you force close the app, you can then restart it again by launching it open, and then you might be able to fix your problem. You can also try logging out of the game and logging back in again, especially if you are connected via Facebook or King account. If none of the steps above works, as a last resort, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the game. Simply uninstall your Candy Crush Saga application from your smartphone and reinstall it again, and try opening it up and see if that fixes your connecting issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if your Candy Crush Saga is not connecting properly on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, make sure to go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Gamers Tech for more Candy Crush Saga tutorial and tips. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.